Hey there, folks.
Ho, ho, ho!
Welcome back to our channel.
Ho, ho, ho!
Today, we're diving into a fascinating world of imagination, where cats and dogs are the heroes of their own stories.
Ho, ho, ho!
In this captivating tale, a cat is soaring through the sky, dodging explosions and helping his fellow felines avoid getting shelled by a relentless dog army.
Ho, ho, ho!
It's a thrilling adventure that showcases the strength and resilience of our furry friends.
Ho, ho, ho!
So, let's cheer on our heroic cat as he navigates through this perilous situation, proving that cats are more than just cuddly companions.
Ho, ho, ho!
They're also brave, resourceful, and always ready to lend a paw when it matters most.
Ho, ho, ho!
Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting stories.
Ho, ho, ho!
Until next time, stay curious and keep imagining.
Ho, ho, ho!